Alright guys, welcome back on DIY channel. What will we do today actually? Alright, rear final drive. We start with the rear one. Alright, when the heat shield needs to be removed first, the filler cap, and I think the drain plug is underneath. Alright, let's have a look at it. Let's check it out. There's a Torx. I would say 30. Let's check it out. Check it. Okay. This is a drain plug. And again, manufacturer specs 35 Newton meter torque for each with the plug gasket replacement. Okay, gently lay that there. All right. Let's take out. Same tool for measurement. I would say excellent tool for measurement. And I would say this one. Yes. Nice. Boom. You have nothing. This is a seal. Oh, I need to be careful with that because we don't have actual rubber seal. Wow. Alright. My oil pan's still full. Alright. Alright. I'm not saying 10 years, it's almost 8 years. We'll check it. And free. Wow, this is so dark oil. Just looking at it's a hydraulic oil, gear oil from the rear axle. Just look at quality. It's amazing. It's just so dark, and very bad. It's almost liter, 900 grams. 900 grams of oil. Gear oil has come out. Yeah. Anyway, look at quality. Wow. Very bad. Extremely. I would say extremely bad. For a gear oil. Condition bad. Condition very bad. As usual. Let's let that oil drip it down fully, and after that we'll replace it. Again, maybe someone else needed that video, but for most of the guys that actually very straightforward, very simple one, very simple to replace that. but someone else maybe needed some specs and torques. And okay, as I mentioned before, there's a 35 Newton meter for each drain and a filler cap, filler plugs. Unfortunately I don't have any gasket. Probably the manufacturer is saying that to replace that, this filler plug, but not available. I will change it and test. That's it for final drive, for the real final drive. Put a plug in, torque, fill in with oil and torque. Job done. Hit shield back. Job done. Okay, thanks for watching guys. See ya.